Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoDaddy website builder, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you embed a YouTube video into your GoDaddy website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to embed a YouTube video into your GoDaddy website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to share traffic between your website or other traffic sources like YouTube, whatever the case is. It's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoDaddy website builder. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoDaddy website builder, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to embed a YouTube video into your website, first you're going to go ahead and choose the page you're going to add the website to. So for me, I just have this one page. Once you've chosen the page, you're going to scroll down to the section that you want the YouTube video to show up. So for example, right here, we have some text talking about a coffee machine. So maybe I want to have a YouTube video about a coffee machine. It doesn't necessarily need to be your YouTube video that you own. It could be any YouTube video that has the share feature available. So once we're right here, we want to choose, do we want the YouTube video to be above the text or below the text? For me, I'm going to have it above, and you can see this little plus icons. You're going to click on the plus icon and add section. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu right here, and you want to click on audio and video. Once you do that, you're going to click on video. Okay, now you're going to see all these different formats that you can choose from. So if you're going to be embedding a YouTube video, just choose whichever one kind of fits your brand. So if you're going to have two videos, you might want to choose this one. For me, I'm just going to have the one video right here. So I'm going to click right here. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we've added a YouTube video above the coffee machine, but this is just a general video. So in order to change this, you're going to click on the video. And once you click on the video, these options are going to pop up here on the right. So as you can see, you can upload a video directly into GoDaddy and it would be hosted on GoDaddy. But to embed a YouTube video, make sure you choose import from URL. Once you do that, you're going to see this section right here. So we're going to go ahead and delete that. Okay, now you see the video disappears. Now let me jump on over to YouTube. Okay, so here I'm on YouTube. Let me go ahead and just choose any old random video. So this one right here. Once you've chosen the video that you want to embed onto your GoDaddy website builder, scroll down and then click on this share button. Once you click on share, you're going to see this right here. This is the URL. We're going to copy. Okay, now we're done on YouTube, and we're going to go back here to the GoDaddy website builder, and where the link was before, we're going to go ahead and paste that right in. And as you can see, now we have a YouTube video embedded in our GoDaddy website builder about a coffee machine right above our text. Now you're not quite done until you click on the publish button here on the top left and choose which website, and then click on save and publish. Okay, now it's publishing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to embed a YouTube video into your GoDaddy website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.